Don't bite the hand that feeds. You know where that quote comes from. Look, in many ways, some dogs are a lot smarter than some people. They don't shit where they eat. They don't bite the hand that feeds. And they're loyal. And a lot of people aren't. A lot of people... Look, I did a video about Mark Zuckerberg losing $14 billion of his net worth in one day. Losing $14 billion of his net worth in one day. And I realized after I did that video, I'm not the kind of guy that likes to spread bad news or anything like that. I don't like people that do that. But Zuckerberg, to me, is a fool. He's an idiot. And he's an idiot that got lucky, so to say, and I know people say that about me too. I fully realize all my family members, once I started making millions of dollars, said the same damn thing about me. But look, Zuckerberg turned down $1 billion for Facebook. This is a business that supposedly he ripped off the idea from some of his college friends, but a business that he started in his college dorm. And then within like 12 years, I think, if I remember the details, he turned down $1 billion. And I thought, you idiot. I mean, you frickin' moron. Somebody wants to give you $1 billion for an internet business that's flakier than hell, where the people move here and there, and what's hot one quarter is not hot the next quarter, or whatever. You're an idiot. Take the money. Thinking that somehow Facebook is going to be the premier choice and all of that. That's not true. That's not true. Young people people are fickle on the internet. People are so fickle. One minute they love you, the next minute they hate you. That's what fickle people do. Fans are fickle. Look, Facebook's already losing popularity with a lot of young people anyway. But then I thought about it. Another thing, why do I hate Facebook so much? That's what I thought. Why do I hate Facebook? Well, I hate Facebook because they are biting the hand that feeds. Look, anybody that knows anything about online marketing knows how difficult it is to do business with Facebook. Now look, Facebook is biting the hand that feeds all the time. They're not taking good care of their advertisers. They make it so difficult. They constantly they bully them. They dictate to them. And you know what? Screw you. I hate that. I absolutely hate that. We're in business to serve our customers. We're in business to take care of the people who are taking care of us. I mean, that's just common sense. My dog knows this. My damn dog knows that that if he wants a bone, he's got to behave. I don't know. My dog knows better than to bite the hand that feeds. My dog knows better than to shit where he eats. And you see these companies like Facebook that are treating their advertisers like shit. Pardon my language. I'm not doing this to offend anybody, but I'm doing this just to be real and to be honest and to be clear. And I know that this is never going to be listened to by Zuckerberg or anybody like that, but the bottom line is, look, we're here to take good care of the people who are taking good care of us. What is not so hard to know or understand about that? Why don't these morons get it? Why do they make it so damn difficult to do business with them? Oh, God, I tell you what, Facebook is just a big pain in the ass. They are a big pain in the ass. They should be embracing advertisers. They should be making it easy. They should have a cooperative attitude. But no, they're militant. They're dogmatic. They are bureaucratic. And truly, they doesn't surprise me. They lost $148 billion of their total net worth in one day. This happened yesterday, so I'm dating this. By the time you listen to this, they could be back, but I doubt it. I just think that, what entrepreneurialism is all about to me is fixing problems in the marketplace, and Facebook is a huge, huge problem. It's a huge problem for advertisers, I can tell you that. So I'm coming at it from that perspective. I think Zuckerberg's a moron for turning down $1 billion. That's just ridiculous. He could have probably kept some of the stock and could have probably done some things to milk that into $2 billion or something like that. So Look, don't be an idiot. Take good care of the people who are taking good care of you. Find more ways to serve them and get them to do more business with you. What could be more simple? What could be more basic than that? Some of this is just common sense. You know, I keep telling people all the time, making millions of dollars or however much money you want to make. Maybe you don't want to make millions of dollars. That's fine. Sometimes millions of dollars can create millions of dollars worth of headaches too. So whatever amount of money you want to make, just realize this is not rocket science. Take good care of the people who are taking good care of you. Don't bite the hand that feeds. Just some real common sense here. Serving the marketplace, serving it. Understanding what these people want and how to give them more of what they want. I mean, God, what kind of idiots. Anyway, hey, thank you for listening to me ramble. God bless. Hope something I've said here has been somewhat entertaining or useful. Thank you.